Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Zoho step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho website. Log into your Zoho account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the finance section on the dashboard. Click on Books to enter the accounting module. In the Books module, find the Budgeting tab on the sidebar. Click on Budgets to open the budgeting interface. Select the Add Budget button to create a new budget. Input a name for your budget in the designated field. Choose the fiscal year for which you are budgeting. Select the period for your budget, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. Enter the budgeted amounts for each category as per your financial plan. Make sure to allocate funds to all relevant categories. Review the total budgeted amount to ensure accuracy. Click Save to confirm your budget details. Once saved, preview the budget to verify all entries. If needed, edit any amounts or categories by selecting the Edit option. After reviewing, return to the budgeting dashboard. To check your budget performance, click on Budget Reports. Select the appropriate report to gain insights into your spending versus budgeted amounts. Analyze discrepancies if they arise, and take notes for future budgeting. Consider adjusting your budget periodically based on these insights. Utilize Zoho's Alerts feature to notify you when you exceed budget limits. Regularly update your budget to stay on track with your financial goals. Explore additional tools within Zoho to enhance your budgeting strategy. Always keep your financial goals in mind as you manage your budget in Zoho. Engage with the community forums for tips and best practices on budgeting. Remember, effective budgeting is a continuous process. Utilize the resources available in Zoho for ongoing support. With these steps, you will efficiently manage your budget using Zoho. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.